Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Tech Aruna, and I hope all of you know about that. I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. In today's episode, we are going to see about Type Cutout app in Canva, yet another text designing app in Canva, and it is going to create magic. So, without wasting time, let us move on to Canva platform, log in, and we are going to take a blank template. I'm choosing a blank Instagram template. So here we go. We've got this blank template. Now, what we are going to do is we have to keep our image ready, which we are going to use it as a background. So what you can do with this app is the text which you're going to add will take up the background of the design. So it's a wonderful tool to use, app to use. So let us see. So the interface is very simple. You have an option to write your main text and you can choose the style of the font, and there is right, left and center alignment. There is line height. When there are more than one sentence, you can increase or decrease the size of the space in between lines. And then you can choose the background image also. And then there is an option for editing the image after adding it. Now, what we are going to do here is first and foremost is you need to add the letters or words what you're going to write here. I've written Hava Mahal and I've chosen Fantony. Now I'm going to choose the image. So I have got my image stored already there. So I've chosen the image. Now you can see here how this is created. Now you can also edit it. Now I'm going to here and edit this. Now I'm going to scale out, correct? And then I can, in case I don't want rotation, so then I have to click finish editing. Now you can see here, now this design can be added in the design. So now here it is not clearly visible. What you could do is we can actually change the background color so that it will be visible. So I'm choosing black color. So you can see this, how this is exactly taken the Hava Mahal background and the text design is created. With this, you can also create, you can choose your own designs. Now let me choose something else. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to again choose a file. Let me choose a rose image where again I've chosen. Now I'm going to change the text here. Let me write happy and morning. Done. So here you can see here how this rose flower is. Now I'm going to center align this so that it will look good. Done. Now I can actually increase or decrease the line height here. See here, I'm going to decrease it. See, now I can increase also. So this is best. Now this way you can, now again, you can add this to the design. Now again, make it bigger in size. So it has taken a rose background. Now this is how you can design a text using this type cutout. Whichever background you want to use it in the text, you can add it and use it simply. So I hope you found this useful. If so, click the button, like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, do comment in the comment box. And thank you for watching.